Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and yes, we're going on with that beautiful 141R. That is what we've been working on, and we're going on with that one in this box 13 for 49, 50, 51 and 52. And here we go. Let's have a look at that magazine. Permanently using the 141R. Sorry about that. Steam train and the diesel trains. We're putting in windows and things like that, and we're sure to going to use that one. And we're making that cabin look nicer and putting a lot of stuff on. And I think this is can be a quick one as well. So we may as well do R2D2 today as well, which you don't notice, but that's fine. Thank you very much. All right. As you can see, little bags every single time. Let's open up 49. All right. So we've got windows, a little piece of extra plastic, and these. So let's see what we do in kit 13. We're starting with taking these off with a proper cutter. And be careful, you'll shoot something away. And again, and they're quite neat. Nope, that's not too smart. Alright, so let's see what we do and where we do them. Okay, we start with this one because we're going to put those stickers on. Sorry about that. Stickers we're going to on this and that side. That's neatly on, as you can see right there. And I should be staying in those, at least that's what they're showing. And we put those stickers on, so we're putting that away. As you can see there, in there, that brown cushion is in. All right, that is the first stage done. We're going to the next one, which is number 50, which is a beautiful panel and some AM screws. So we've got this beautiful thing. Yeah. We're going to take the stickers off, or the backing of those stickers, and then we're going to put it on and pushing that down properly. So we have a beautiful window. And on the outside, no, and that one should go in there like so. And then we push that panel on there into those slots, and on the inside we're going to put two AA screws, and you see them down there, those 2 points. Sorry, AM screws. And of course, because it's metal into metal, we're going to put a little bit of oil on it. I have the habit of calling that glue, so if you hear me say glue in these cases where I'm screwing something in, I most probably am saying oil, or not saying oil but meaning oil. And have a look at that. That's pretty good. I should have, that is a little thing that should be. So we're putting this on as well. There's a backing here that we take off first. That's the little label. Oh, that's the little label that we just put on. I call it label, or what is it? We're doing the whole same thing again, but then for the other side. So let's go straight to it. Let's open those both packs in one go. All right, let me put this away and then I'll go on with stage 51, kit 51, I should say. If you remember, the only thing we do is put that sticker on and get that plastic thing off. So we're going to get our sprue cutter out that we got off AXO and put it away, because we don't want any sharp stuff lying around. That one's fine. Let's put those stickers on. If you remember from the last time. Yep, that's in as well. That little brown thing that is in there. Okay, then we're going straight to the next. We have that one, we have that one, and that's it. Stage 52. That one's there. Then we're going back to this one, and that window is in as well. Then we've put that window in already, and we know how to do that from the last one. And then we're going to put it on this side and put some AMs in there with a little bit of oil on the tip. Then we put those AMs in, then we put that shield on, and we have that on both sides. We've got the windows in, we've got the top on, and the inside as well. So that was that. So we have a nice house here, or cabin for the train, for the conductors, for the train drivers. But that was that for these two packs that I got in, and I want to thank you for joining me again. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more. And please like my videos and look them, have a look at them, the whole thing, all the way to the end, all the way to where I am now, without skipping. That helps me with my algorithm for YouTube. Thank you very much. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.